Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul bin Fazil and my metric number is AD170126. Today I will be presenting on my final year project titled To Reduce Energy Cost of Plastic Recycling Process at Recycle Factory. But first, let me explain what is sustainability. Sustainability is the study of how natural system functions, means that meeting our own needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own ideal. This process will go on and will not stop. For a process to be sustainable, it should benefit to three different aspects. There are environmental, economic, and safety. Okay, first for the economic growth, there is smart growth, cost saving, cost of living, and long range planning. For the environmental protection, there are two. There is protect health of ecosystem and avoid excess pollution. For the social equity, is the quality of life, education, and community development. So the sustainability in mechanical is to minimize negative environmental impact while conserving energy and natural resources. Sustainable mechanical also enhance employee, community, and product safety. Why companies are pursuing sustainability? It is because to increase operational efficiency by reducing cost and waste, to build a long-term business viability and success. Next, to respond to and reach new customers. And lastly, protect and strengthen brand reputation and build public trust. Okay. For the problem statement for my final year project is, humans have always produced trash and disposed of it in some ways. So solid waste management is not a new issue. With an increase in worldwide population, the consumption of plastic also has increased. Around 8,400 kilotons in 2006 was demanded by the customer. And next, the energy required to recycle the material and to increase the efficiency recycling process happens, such as heat dissipated. For the objective for my final year project is to identify plastic recycling process, to improve recycling process, and lastly to improve the energy cost during the recycling process. Okay, the scope of my project is, there are various types of plastic that can be recycled in this world. These research are focusing on low density polyethylene, LDPE. This research has been set up at Hinta Recycling Factory in Perak. This research also focusing on how to improve the energy usage during the recycling process at the factory. The expected result for my project is, the cost has been reduced to a more saving value compared to before the research been done. The machine can produce more output with less energy usage. Okay, for the low density, I will explain about the low density polyethylene. LDPE lacks strong qualities compared to other PE. It is distinguished by its short and long chain branching, which provide it high clarity and processability. LDPE is a semi-rigid, translucent, very tough, weatherproof, good chemical resistant, low water absorption, easily processed by most methods, and low cost. LDPE also is used as a container, dispensing bottle, wash bottle, tubing, plastic bag, computers compartment and other molded laboratory equipment are among the most common uses for low density polyethylene. Okay, there are 4 main processes on low density polyethylene recycling process. Okay, first we need to pre-sort. We need to make sure that only low density polyethylene are inside the machine and not mixed with the other type of plastic. And then we shredding and cutting. We shred and cut the plastic into small pieces such as plastic flake. After that, we need to wash the plastic flakes because we need to make sure the plastic are clean from any other material or substance. And lastly, heating and cooling. After washing the plastic flake, we need to dry it and let it cool. Thank you.